This is correct bet. I want to show you these new trees that I just discovered. You will see a very boom winning on this new trees on Zoom Soccer. Let's go here. You will see, can you see the cash out here? This is the new trees I just discovered. See them. See, new trees I just discovered. See them working perfectly. You can see them. See, this is the new trees I just discovered. You can see this one. Cash out 88k. You can see with 500. This is the new trees and it's all about straight winning odds. So that's the strategy I'm using for this, and it's working perfectly. It's working like magic. Honestly, this is working perfectly, and this is Zoom Soccer. Don't forget that this is Zoom Soccer. You can see this one. See, just pick only 3 games, and it gave me 14 odd. I used for 1k. Play it. You can see the winning there. So I just discovered these trees. I've been working on it for long. That's why I never post all this while. That's why I never post all this while, because I'm working on new trees. So now you can see this is all about straight winning that comes with 2 odds. But there is a strategy for it. Not anyhow odd you pick. There is a strategy you have to check first. There is the option you are going to use to get this straight winning right. There is option you are going to use. If you don't use that option, you're not going to get it right. So you must use that option. That is the strategy I'm using for this, and it's working perfectly. There's nothing like opening the table, checking their last match. It doesn't concern this. Just open that option and you will get this. Once you open that option, you will get this. So that is the secret about this winning you are seeing. So see the one I just cash out, like you can see 88k with just 500. Imagine say I use 1k or use 2k or use 5k. You will see, you will know how this thing will be. So just the is about to start when I pick this. That's why I use the 1.5 on my balance here and stake immediately, so that I will not miss it. Even though I will still stake it on live, but some of these normally score sometimes, maybe before 5 minutes or before 15 minutes or before 10 minutes, you see them just score. So I just rush and stay with 500 immediately. See how much I cash out. So imagine I use 1k, stake it, or 5k or 3k or 10k. So those I just take like this due to the available balance amount on my bet account. So you can see the balance, you can see the winning there, 104k. You can see there on top here, you can see the winning there, all of them. So all this thing you see now, the winning that bring this 104k, total amount I stake on this is 1,600 naira is what I stake on this, that give this 104k. As you can see on top here, see this first one, you can see the first one is 100 naira stake on it, win 20 odds. All of them play it. Can you see it? All of them play. Can you see it? 20 odds. That time I don't have enough to stake. I just take it like that. So this one now, you see, out of the winner, I now stake 1k, get this 14k. So out of the this is because this 14k is still playing, so you never play finish. Assuming they don't play finish, I'll use the amount. I use like 5k or 10k and stake this one, but all of them is the same game. All of them are the same game. You can see union here, so all of them are the same game. So I decided to play it like that. So this is what I get here. This game is game that even if you stake high, cash out must come out, whether they like it or not. Cash out must come out. So this game is working perfectly. You can see them. So this is the trees I get here. So in case any of you need these trees, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. These trees are for post it here, but if I post it here, this is the trees that brings big odds. So I don't think I'll post something like this because they bring in big odds. So, and they don't know, maybe they may be watching and change the trade. So, but for the strategy I'm using for this, it's not something that will be changed. They can't change this strategy. They will not change it anytime soon, because that's the one option that I discovered. I've been working for this almost 2 weeks now. So now get this. That's why I never post all this. Why I want to be sure of their latest tricks. So if you're ready about this, chat me on WhatsApp. I will send you the tips, the strategy I use, so you go through it and pick your games anytime. You can work in the morning, you can work in the evening, you can work on midnight. You will cash out big. Alright guys, this is correct bet. In case you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and also click on that bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post new video here. This is correct bet, and the number again to chat is on 07036760527. All right, see this one here, but you see that loss here. So I stake 100 naira on it. See the one that lost. This is when I'm still working with the trees. You can see it. You can see this one now. You see, it's the only one that lost it. Only one. This one I'm still working with the trees. You see, it's only one that got it, and this one is 89 odd. Can you see it? 89 odd. So these trees that I can't post for free like that. So if you need it, I will show you how it works. Only one caught this. This is when I'm still working with the trees, but when I'm perfect on it, you can see the winning. Just boom here. Alright guys, this is correct bet. See you on WhatsApp on 07036760527. The number is showing on your screen. Copy it and chat me if you're interested and serious about the strategy and tricks. Alright guys, see you on the next video.